Hi guys, this is going to be a pretty quick video. It's actually been about a month since I last recorded. As you can tell, I'm at home at the two-car garage itself. And the Buick's in the garage. Why in the garage? Buick is in the garage because the landlords here have said that both of them have to be in the garage. Well, maintenance guy came out and said that with that there's no way that the truck will fit and the wagon will fit with both of these in here, so they're only making me park one in here. The wagon was the one I decided to park in here, namely because it's shorter, so I can actually walk around it and get to everything still. Tools now have a cart. I guess I was a cute kid at one point in time. I've also managed to procure another set of wheels. So I now have a truck-cycle thing. The background noise is the neighbors cutting stuff up, which is why I'm going to be short here. So, with that, we'll head to where the El Camino is, because I'm sure you guys are wondering where it went. So, we'll be right back. Boom! And like that, through the movie Magic Miracles of Digital Cameras, I'm another 30 some odd miles away from the two-car garage in Fowler. Why? For one, I'm going to be going on a trip with my husband. Two, yeah, that's where it is now. And we had a storm come through and completely destroy the wheels on this thing here. That's always nice. We have cats here in the area, so paw prints all over the place. Back window is out. So is my plastic. It left. So maybe I'll put the back window back in before I leave, because I'm going to be going on a 3-day trip. But this is where it's sitting because they kicked it out. Guessing that Uniroyal finally gave out. Can't imagine why. It's only like 20 something years old, right? So yeah, that's happens, you know. But hey, whatever. So that is where it is. It is resting comfortably. It still runs just fine. So that's not a problem. But the next few, I will be on a truck. Big semi truck. Be taking a little bit of a break from things. Spending some time with the husband. And just, you know, not worrying about quite as many things as I can. The blue one there, that is the one I will be on. So it's an ADM truck 128. If you see me up by Sparks, say hi. If you don't, well, you don't live in Sparks, but that's fine too. I don't know where they'll send us from there. We might end up going to Arizona before we come back. It'd be about 3 days roughly, round trip. Link in the bottom. Sorry, close-up camera. Link down there will be to my new little buy me a coffee thing. So if you want to help support the channel, please do so. You can buy me. Boom! Coffee. Alright? So this concludes episode We're on 3 now of season 2. Something like that. Other stuff I'm taking. Have to make sure to take an RC car, right? Boom, little crawler going with me. Alright guys, take care. Stay safe. See ya.